Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML and CSS on mobile, step by step. First, download a reliable code editor app on your smartphone or tablet. These apps provide a convenient environment for writing and testing code directly on your device. Next, explore free online resources like W3 Schools or MDN WebDocs for structured lessons. Begin by mastering fundamental HTML elements and their proper syntax. Once your environment is set up, dive into core HTML concepts. Focus on understanding essential tags such as headings, paragraphs, and div elements. Practice creating ordered and unordered lists, and learn how to embed images and create hyperlinks. Emphasize using semantic HTML tags like header, nav, and footer to build well-structured and accessible web pages. After a solid HTML foundation, introduce CSS to style your pages. Begin by understanding how CSS selectors target HTML elements and how properties like color and font size modify their appearance. Experiment with different ways to apply CSS, including inline styles, internal style sheets, and external style sheets. Practice changing colors, fonts, and basic layouts to see your designs come alive. Finally, delve into responsive design to make your creations look great on any screen size. Learn about media queries and flexible units like percentages. The best way to solidify your knowledge is by consistently building small projects, applying everything you've learned. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car fresh. Consistent practice is key to becoming proficient in HTML and CSS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.